Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to test out these Tyere ratcheting cable cutters. I'm going to use it to cut this aluminum service wire here. And this thing is like really heavy duty. So it has 4-aught cables inside of it, all surrounded by bare stranded aluminum grounding wires. So that makes this thing really difficult to cut. So we're going to see if this can cut through it. For starters, just going to go ahead and open up the safety here. So just flip this safety switch to the side so we can actually use it. And then I'm going to push this release button to open up the jaw so we can slide the wire inside of it. So you can see that opens right up. And then insert the cable into the cutters and then just close the jaws here. So I'm going to just push it as tight as I can without actually squeezing the handle so we don't have to waste any energy waiting for it to ratchet. And then as I start to squeeze the handle, you can see the teeth closing and ratcheting shut one at a time. That's the real advantage of this thing, is because it gives you so much extra leverage. So guys, this is a huge cable. I'm doing it one-handed, but I'm actually definitely going to switch and use two hands to get through it. All right, just about through it. I'm trying not to let it fall on my glass desk here too hard. So here it is. It definitely took some strength to get to it. I even had to use two hands to get through and cut through the entire cable. But here's the result. It's a really nice clean cut all the way through this service entry cable. So it definitely took some effort, but I couldn't imagine how I would have got through it any other way. The reduction in effort it took to get through this cable definitely make these worth the small investment, even if it's not something that you use on a daily basis. They're definitely great for a home DIYer or a professional who has any reason to cut thick, heavy-duty aluminum or copper wire. Just make sure you never use it to cut steel and you never cut live wires with it. And then in the box, it just comes with the actual tool itself. It has alloy steel jaws, PVC grips, and it's rated for copper up to 300 MCM and aluminum up to 600 MCM. So to me, the Tyere cable cutters is one of those tools that just does the job and does it right. So I'm super happy to have it in my toolbox.